Okay guys, so this is the new boutique board, and like I shared in my haul video of all the things that I got from the latest release, this is a really cool base. It's 5.5 by 7.5, so it's a little bit smaller than like a 5 by 7 picture frame, and then it's got this cool wood base. And like I told you guys, I think you could do it, you know, both sides. So I wanted to just quickly pop on here and play with it because it's so cute. And the other thing that I forgot to share was you can put it up like that too. If you want to display it this way, you have some transfer that's going to go that way, you can do that too. So I also got this transfer. It is called it's called Roam Where You Want To. This is one of the smaller transfers. I'm not super good with the sizes. Oh, there it says right there, roam where you want to. Okay, so this is a small, like 5 by 7 size transfer. So these boutique board bases are perfect for this. So when I got this transfer, I really had an awesome idea in mind. I don't know what happened to my Sharpie, and that one's not gonna work. But you guys know that I like to put my name or something on the back. These ones that are all the same, I'm starting to put the name on the back of them. It probably really doesn't matter, but it kind of matters to me. So let's get this baby on there, and let's see how much space is going to be taken up there. Okay, not a lot. I was just kind of worried about that. So I did move little Mr. Buffy up a little bit. I have two different colors of paste. This one is bus yellow, and this one is red orange. And I'm going to ombre them. I was gonna save these squeegees, but I never seem to put back the squeegees. All right, so I just mixed this up a little bit, and I'm just gonna grab a little spoon for this. And that's way too much. I know it is for what I wanted to do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of squeegee this on. I didn't tape anything off. I really feel like I should be called the messy crafter sometimes, because sometimes I'm just a mess. Okay, I wanted that, but then I don't want that there because I really wanted to put some more. And I just wanted to go in here with just a little bit of this red. I really want to do like an ombre effect, so I'm just flipping this over. And I'm just going to kind of try not to muddle them together too much with my squeegee, because I don't want to mix it in right there. But now I can take my squeegee like that. I don't even care about that kind of stuff, but I do see some spots over here that I need to make sure they're filled in. And then I'm just wiping this off with a baby wipe. And then I'm just gonna kind of pull it down. Okay, and then we're gonna pull it off. Oh, that even looks better than I thought. What I wanted to do was use my finger a little bit, and I forgot to do that, but it's okay. So I'm just wiping off the edge to get some of that off of there. And now my sign is done. So super, super quick, 5 minute, maybe even less. I know it took me longer to get all my supplies out than it did to actually make this.